Alright, this is a demonstration of the Ridgid SeeSnake. We're going down through a clean out and we are in the pipe now. I'm actually going to pull it back just a tad and go ahead and zero this out so we know how far we're going. Okay. So we're going down into the pipe. You can see there's a little bit of grease just sort of on the walls and a little bit on the bottom. Nothing to be worried about. That is pretty much unavoidable no matter how clean you are. Looks like there's a hair stuck to some of it up there on the top of the pipe. Again, nothing to really worry about. There's a joint in the pipe where they got a coupling in there. There's another, that looks like two fittings on top of each other.
It's kind of going down then turning left.
This was really well put.
A little bit more. Okay, I guess I was seeing that right there and I was like, is that another pipe coming in?
It almost looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a Y. But why?
I don't know. This would be a great time to have that rear facing camera. Yeah, looks like there's a tiny little belly in the pipe right here, but you can see in the distance we're almost to the septic tank. And there it is.
Okay.
Looks like there's a little buildup of fat there on the top of the pipe. So we're going to get our flex shaft machine down in there and see if we can't knock some of that loose and get this completely clear.
Alright, the key to running a flex shaft is to have water running down the line, so as you clean the line, the debris is going to its final destination.
Final destination 2.
The septic tank, in this case.
So yeah, final destination number 2.
Yeah. Alright, so Sam's going to operate the flex shaft, and you do that one person so they can kind of feel the torque and control everything. See that? Cleaned it right up. Beautiful.
You know, actually, if you want to start pulling that camera out, I'm going to see if I can just scour out the whole pipe on the way out. Yeah. If you just want to.
You go ahead and stop every now and then just so I can see. Okay.
Once we get out of this water, it should be fine.
Let me run it back down there and take a look. Looks like it's doing a pretty good job. Alright, here we go, some more.
There's something that we didn't even see before.
It's just scrape.
Yeah,
that's a big glob of
grease. It's doing good at scraping it off. Hold back a little bit. Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
It's doing a real good job scraping.
I backed way up. You don't want this flex shaft to hit your camera head. Stop it again. See how gunky that pipe was, and now it's like turning white again because it's PVC. Alright. It's doing a good job. Alright.
Go on, see if you can go on past it. Just look at that.
Wow.
Man.
It's almost brand new.
Okay, we just finished scraping out that pipe with the chain knockers on our flex shaft. And look at that.
You see the difference.
That pipe is nice and white. And this can be useful in helping prevent future blockages. Like we said at the beginning of the video, there wasn't anything major wrong with these pipes at all, but now that they're all clean, nobody has to worry about anything getting stuck in there, because that grease will hold on to stuff. If you saw that hair hanging from the top of the pipe earlier, you can see that, and that'll happen with toilet paper and anything else that gets flushed down there. So now that all that's gone, these pipes are basically brand new.
Our septic tank. Yum, yum.